What's up, Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. I already made one video about teriyaki chicken sushi roll with the avocado. Now I'm gonna show you teriyaki chicken sushi roll with the futomaki with whole seaweed. Let's go. I have here the bamboo mat. To make the third sushi roll with teriyaki chickens, I'm gonna use the ingredients cucumber, that is the deep fried crunchy onion. Here is the avocado, here is the sesame seeds, and here is teriyaki sauce. If you don't know how to make the teriyaki sauce, you can check link on my description box, and I'll put there everything's on link. How to cut the cucumber, how to make teriyaki chicken, and how to cut the avocado, and how to make teriyaki sauce. First of all, I'll show you nori seaweed. That is the rough side, that is the shiny side. I'm always saying that for my Sushi Lovers family. There is the short part, that is the long part, as you can see here. So I love to put sushi rice like this, so I can make the pieces a little bit more rather than that side. First of all, I'll place the sushi rice on the rough side. I'll take more or less 130 gram sushi rice. If you're a little bit hungry, you can put more, but the consistency of the rice and the ingredients should be a combined, so the texture and flavor will be very good. First of all, I'll place sushi rice, okay. Here is the little bit more rice. I can take out from this side and I'm gonna put another side also. Try to put equal quantity of rice all around the seaweed. I'm leaving here 2 finger. In the closing time, the sushi rolling techniques, I'll leave here 1 finger. Firstly, I'm gonna put the teriyaki chicken. Yes. That is the teriyaki chicken. After that, I'm gonna put the cucumber. The cucumber will give the crunchiness and freshness. I'll add the avocado because I am the avocado lover. Yes. Now I'll put a little bit crispy onion, so my sushi roll will be very crunchy and crispy. And the eating time, I'll feel really good. I'll give a little bit pinch of the sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. It will give the extra level of aroma and textures. Let's close it. Secure the ingredients by 3 finger, and thumb and that finger will use to secure the bamboo sheet, okay? Bamboo mat. Yes. To close properly, I'll mash sushi rice on the top of the nori, so it will close properly. Here is the avocado. I'm sorry for that. Yes, that's our very beautiful sushi roll. Firstly, make your knife wet with your towel. Then after, put the knife in between of your 2 finger like this. Then start to cut like this, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I love to cut in the 3 stroke. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, for the sushi plating ideas, we can do 2, 3 different way, okay? I can put like this in the cross way. Like this. Or if you want to show the ingredients to your client, for your best friend, for your lovers to whom you are making sushi roll, you can do like this. There is our teriyaki chicken sushi roll. I'm gonna add the teriyaki for the extra flavor, okay? Yes. Give a little bit sesame seeds again. Yes, finally we have here our teriyaki chicken sushi roll. If you really like this video, you can try it at your home. I'm pretty sure it's a very easy. You don't need to be a master sushi chef to make these ones. So you can make easily sushi at your home. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Have a good day. That is the formal things. That is the informal. Okay, I'm gonna bite it. I'm gonna eat. I want to eat. I don't want to wait more. Let's go. Nice. Yes, I really like this. The crispy onion is giving crunchiness. Good. Thank you. Cheers, sushi lovers family. Have a good day.